Okay, question number 45. Question number 45. Which of the following affects least to the download speed of the web page? Capacity of the web browser, number of hyperlinks in the web page. Capacity of the web browser might affect, right, the download speed, because some web browsers, like sometimes if you download from Google Chrome or if you download from Internet Explorer, there can be affection, right? So maybe the memory or the way that web browser is behaving, that is the software which is used to access web pages. No? Therefore, it's affecting the speed. That is true. Number of hyperlinks in the web page. Number of hyperlinks in the web page, it is not much affecting. Number and size of the images, yes, it is affecting. Number and size of the images, yes, it is affecting. All right. And processing power of the server computer that stores the web page. Yes, because that is the place we are serving. Serving end is also affecting. The receiving end is also affecting. Size of the image is also affecting. The bandwidth of the internet connection, obviously, for sure. But number of hyperlinks, it's not much affecting on that. So 45, answer is number 2. Right? So the question number 46. Which of the following statements are true about the code given below? So style dot title means a class selector. It's a class selector. And the text align center color blue. This define internal styles. Yes. Using CSS class concept. Yes. It is internal style using CSS class concept. Yes. CSS group no. CSS group no. Inside the code can be used. The styles defined the code can be used only for the type of element. No. It's a class. Can be used for a group. This is an example for CD ID concept. No, it is a CSS class. If starting with a dot, it is a CSS class selector affecting the class concept. Okay, so that is number 1. And then next one, which of the following HTML code line actually describe the outcome of the above code of line? href equal hash para. Go to paragraph A. This is called bookmark because this is not mentioned any paragraph. Hash means same page. Same page, if there's a ID or if there's a name, right? So that will navigate to the particular location, a name or any ID, right? So the displayed link displayed as hyperlink. Hyperlink එකක් විදිහට display වෙන්නේ middle part එක, go to part A. So all 3 are correct here. And it will go to the new page. No. Part of the same page named it ID hash para. No, hash para කියන්න ඕනේ. para කියලා තිබ්බනේ. Part of the same page with named ID para. Yes. The hash කියන්නේ same page කියන එක. ඒ page එකේ තියෙන para A කියන, sorry, part A කියන, sorry, para නෙමෙයි. Part A කියන තැනට යනවා. So that is number 5. That's a bookmark. So the same thing can be done by using something like this. A bookmark can also be defined. So one way is like this, and the second way of defining a bookmark is a name equal para A. So if you write something like this, then also it will go to the particular paragraph. A name equal para A කියලා කිව්වත් යනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් අර විදිහට දුන්නත් යනවා. ID sorry para නෙවෙයි part නේද මම හැමදේම para කියලා කියෙන්නේ මොකද? Part name equal part A කිව්වත් යනවා. නැත්නම් තව විදිහක් තමයි අර ඔයාලා එතන දීලා තියෙන විදිහට ID equal ඒකේ ID එකක් තිබ්බත් maybe වෙන්න ඕනෙත් නෑ. maybe a paragraph ID equal එහෙම තිබ්බත් යනවා. part A කියලා තිබ්බත් එතනටත් යනවා මේක. දෙකම තිබ්බොත් ඉතින් දෙකෙන් එකයි select කරගන්න. එකට යන්නේ. This is the para. හරි මෙතන අපේ ලියන්නේ hyperlink එකක් විදියට how to display this as a hyperlink. href equal hash means the same page part A. This is the text. My text display. If you run this is page.html, my desktop. Name is page.html. If I double click and run this, you can see the page.html. If I click this, it's navigating this one, right? But so why it's not showing? මෙතනට යන්නේ. ඒක පෙන්වන්නේ නැහැ. හේතුව මේ page එක දිගමද. දිගම ඇති හින්දා ඉතින් පෙන්වන්නේ නැහැ. මේක දිගට තිබ්බනම් පෙන්න. පොඩක් දිග වෙන්නත් ඕන මේ page එක පෙන්වන්න. මම paragraph ගොඩාක් දාන්නම් තව මේ මැද්දට. ඒකල page එක දිග වැඩි කරන්න. I make it lengthier like this. Now a lot of paragraphs are there. You can see pasting the same thing. Save it. If I run this, now this is lengthier. When I click this, you can see it's navigating this section. මෙතන click කරාම ටක් ගාලා පල්ලෙහා තියෙන section එකට යනවා. ඊට පල්ලෙහා තිබ්බොත් ඒක top එකටම එනවා. ඊටත් පල්ලෙහා තව ඒවා තිබ්බොත් ඒක උඩටම එනවා. නැත්නම් ඊට පල්ලෙහා උඩට යන විදියක් නැති ඉන්න තමයි එන්නේ. මෙතනත් මම ගොඩක් දාන්නම්. Save, refresh. When I click that, you can see this is para කියන එක උඩට එනවා. This is para means this one. P id equal මේක තිබ්බේ නැහැ කියලා හිතන්නකො. If I remove this and if I have a name equal part A, so still this will work. When I click this, it will go and display this, right? If id is not there, if I click this, still that will navigate. A name will also navigate, id will also navigate. Normally name එකයි id එකයි දෙකම තිබ්බොත් id will be given the priority. Right? That's why I displayed this. Okay, let's go back to the question. Right, question number 48. Which of the following statements are related to e-commerce? Are true. A particular product may be available at different prices in different e-commerce sites. True. Payment option at the receipts of goods allow customers to verify the quality of the purchase made through the e-commerce site. Yes, that is like cash on delivery, you know, COD. Now new concept of this e-commerce is COD. Then you can verify the quality and pay. Cash on delivery. Additional additional charges can be included in delivery service fees over the yes delivery charge ABC all three are true. So question answer 5 is the answer. Question number 49. Cloud formation in the sky. What is that? No, cloud computing, right? Clouds are in the sky. That is true. But cloud computing is not in the sky. So this is actually this is general scenario. Cloud formation in the sky. Evaluation of the living species. How neurons function in the human brain. So they're asking which are used in bio-inspired computing. Cloud එකේ behavior total random මේක අපිට bio-inspired computing වලට ගන්න බෑ. Evaluation of living species, yes, that is bio-inspired computing. How neurons function in the human brain, yes, that is using neural networks, bio-inspired computing. So I'll explain more about this in when we have time. Let's go and discuss bio-inspired computing maybe next week or week after next week in the revision class. I'll discuss more about this bio-inspired computing. And which of the following statements are true about the quantum computing? In quantum computing, principle of a quantum physics are applied. True. Quantum bits or the qubits are used in quantum computing as information units. True. Quantum computers emit radiation. Fatal nonsense. It's not radiation. It's not issuing radiation only. A, B are true. Quantum computing, quantum physics applied, and quantum bits, qubits are used. A, B true. So you can go for the answer number 4. Okay, so with this 2020 paper, I'm going to stop. So there are some lessons you have not covered maybe. So don't worry, we will be discussing more papers in near future. So next we will be discussing 2019 paper, be prepared for that. So next week we'll be starting. If you can do the paper and come, we'll be saving my time and your time both, right? Try to save the time by doing the paper and come. Okay, then Please join with the theory class if you're interested in doing this SQL part, actually the diagramming part. Today we will be doing the diagramming part. Last day we have discussed overall SQL. We gave overall SQL idea. Diagramming part will be done today. I'll discuss question based and also the DFD and context diagram part. I'll discuss the remaining stuff next week. Then good night. See you all.